Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, guys. I'm Olivia.
And I am David. Hello.
David? What is wrong? You sound very sad.
Sad? No, Olivia. I am not sad. I am devastated.
Devastated. That is a very strong word. It means very, very shocked and upset.
Yes, I am devastated because of my phone.
Your phone? Did you break your phone?
No, I wish I broke my phone. The problem is inside the phone, in my app,
Which app?
my investing app. Olivia, I lost money, a lot of money.
Oh, no. David, what did you do?
I invested in crypto again.
Again? David, we talked about this. You promised.
I know, but I saw a video on the internet. The man said, "This coin is going to the moon."
Going to the moon. Listeners, this is a phrase used in crypto. It means the price will go up very high.
Yes, he said it will go up. But it didn't go to the moon, Olivia.
Where did it go?
It went into the ground. It crashed.
Okay, David, let's calm down. Let's talk about what happened exactly.
Okay, so yesterday I felt FOMO.
FOMO? What is that?
It stands for fear of missing out.
Ah, fear of missing out. This means you see everyone making money and you want to make money too.
Exactly. I saw my friends buying this new coin. It's called Super Fast Dog Coin.
Super fast dog coin? David, that sounds ridiculous.
It sounds cool. So I took my savings.
Savings. This is the money you keep for the future, for emergencies.
Yes, my hard-earned money. And I clicked buy.
And then?
At first, it was green. The chart was green.
Green usually means profit, making money.
Yes, I was happy. I thought, I am a genius. I will be rich.
Oh boy.
But then I went to sleep. And this morning, I checked my phone.
And?
Red. Everything was red. The line went down, straight down.
Oh no. That is called a crash, when the price drops very fast.
Yes, it crashed. Now, my money is gone. I regret it so much.
Regret. This means you wish you didn't do it.
Yes, I regret listening to the internet man.
So, David, how much did you lose? Or don't tell me the number. Tell me the percentage.
I lost 50%.
50%? Half of your money?
Yes, half. Poof, gone.
David, you need to be careful. Investing is risky.
Risky. This means it is not safe. You can lose everything.
Exactly. Crypto is very volatile.
Volatile? That is a big word, Olivia.
Yes, volatile. It means the price changes very quickly, up, down, like a roller coaster.
Yes, it is a roller coaster, and I want to get off. I feel sick.
It's stressful, right?
Very stressful. Every 5 minutes, I check my phone. Refresh, refresh, refresh.
That is a bad habit, David. Watching the chart all day makes you anxious.
Anxious? This means nervous and worried.
Yes, you look anxious. You have big circles under your eyes.
I didn't sleep. I was watching the red line.
Okay, David, take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out.
Okay, I am calm. A little bit.
Now, David, I want to give you some advice for next time.
Next time. No! There is no next time. I am finished.
You say that now, but you will forget next week. So listen to me.
Okay, wise Olivia. Tell me, what should I do?
Rule number 1, don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Eggs? Basket? Olivia, we are talking about money, not breakfast.
Haha, no, David. It is an idiom, a famous English phrase.
What does it mean?
Don't put all your eggs in one basket means don't put all your money in one place.
Ah, I understand. If I drop the basket, all the eggs break.
Exactly. If Superfast Dog Coin crashes, you lose everything.
That makes sense. So, I should buy different coins?
No, you should diversify.
Diversify. This means having different types of investments.
Yes, maybe some crypto, maybe some gold, maybe keep some cash in the bank.
The bank! The bank is boring, Olivia.
Boring is good. Boring is safe.
Safe. The opposite of risky.
Yes, you need balance.
You're right. I put all my eggs in the dog coin basket, and now I have an omelet. A bad omelet.
Exactly. And rule number 2, only invest money you can afford to lose.
Afford to lose. This means if the money disappears, I can still buy food.
Yes. Did you use your rent money?
Maybe?
David, that is irresponsible.
I know. I made a mistake. Okay, I learned my lesson. No more risky investments. No more charts.
I am happy to hear that.
From now on, I will save my money. I will be smart. Like you, Olivia.
Thank you, David. That is a good plan.
Who? What is that?
Oh, it's a notification.
Don't look at it. I'm just looking. Just 1 second.
David!
Oh my God. Olivia, look.
What?
There is a new coin. It is called Safe Moon Rocket. It is going up fast.
No, David, stop.
But look at the green line. It is beautiful. Maybe I can win my money back.
David, remember the eggs. Remember the basket.
But this basket looks very strong.
Listeners, tell David to stop. Write in the comments, stop David.
Or write, do it, David!
No! Don't listen to him. Okay, everyone, we have to go before David loses all his money again.
I'm just gonna buy a little bit. Just $10.
Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.
Buy low, sell high, or buy high and cry. Bye-bye.
Bye. David, give me the phone.